In this video, you will see how to watermark photo in WPS Office. As you can see, I have added this watermark on the photo and it's very easy. First, go to the Insert tab, Picture, and select the picture from your computer. After inserting the picture, your picture may be of a very large size, so you will need to resize it. Now to add watermark on this picture, go back to the Insert tab, select text box and horizontal. Now draw a text box onto the image and type what you want, for example, watermark, and adjust the text size as required and make it bold and change the color of the text as you want. I am selecting here red color. Now click on the text box border, right click and go to Format Object. Under the field, select the option No Fill so the text box will become transparent. And we also need to remove this white line around the text box. Under the line, just select the option No Line. Now we have a transparent text box. However, this text is not transparent and we will make it transparent now. Just click on the text box, go to the text option. Under the text field, here you will see the option of transparency. Just enter here 70 and press enter. Now as you can see, the text has become transparent. You can use this slider to change the transparency as required. Now just rotate this and place it on the image where you want. We need to now merge this watermark along with the image. To do that, you need to click on the image, right click and go to the wrap text option and select the option in front of text. Again, right click on the image and click on send to back. Now press and hold the shift button on your keyboard. Click on the image to select it and then click on the watermark text. Now both image and watermark are selected. You need to right click on the selection and then click on group image. Now this is one image. However, note that if you click on the watermark, you can still move it. If you want to permanently embed this watermark into the photo, you need to click on the photo, press Ctrl X to cut the photo and then go to paste special. Select here the option picture. You can select different format as well, for example JPG, and then click on OK. Now the text and the image is embedded and now you cannot move the watermark. In this way you can watermark photos in WPS Office quickly. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn WPS Office quickly. See you again in the next one.